Hi everybody, this is Nancy, your favorite innkeeper from Old Square Inn in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania in beautiful Lancaster County. And today I'm going to show you how to make our biscuits and gravy, but this is a version for people who don't really care for the beef. We're going to use ground turkey instead. And our guest chef today is Nancy, who actually is a frequent guest at the inn. She, along with her husband Frenchie, who just happens to be French, is staying here with us this weekend. So Nancy, what are you starting with?
I've ground and browned 1 pound of ground turkey with about a half a cup of onion.
And everybody loves those onions, right?
Oh, most definitely.
You know. Now to that she's going to make a roux, and she's going to use...
I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of butter. And I'm going to let that melt in the pan. And once that's melted, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flour to make our roux.
And the roux is what helps thicken that gravy. And you want to cook the roux at least 5 minutes because you're going to cook the flour taste out of that. And then after that gets cooked and melted, what's the next step, Nancy?
Then I add the spices. I like to add about a tablespoon of garlic for that pound.
That smells so good already.
Oh, I know.
Yeah,
and about a tablespoon of chili pepper. Now this is going to be to taste, but I like the chili pepper just to give it a little bit of zing. And then we mix those spices in.
So good.
And then we add 1 cup of milk that we've added a dash of heavy cream to, because you want that beautiful silky flavor. So we add that to our mix.
You know, I wish we had smell-o-vision because this smells so good.
And once you mix all that together, then we add just about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, just to give it a little bit of a different texture and flavor level. And then we cook that down for about 5 minutes or so, as Nancy mentioned, for that roux, until it gets nice and thick and creamy.
Now, are you going to add salt and pepper to that, or do you let people just put that on
I let
themselves?
people do salt and pepper to taste, excuse me. And so I always like a little bit of ground pepper to that.
That's the best.
And then also just this special little trick, so the Himalayan sea salt. We do a little grind of that as well.
Yeah, now if you don't have Himalayan sea salt like fond, we do here, you can use regular salt. Doesn't make any difference. Now, the longer you cook this, the thicker that gravy's going to get. So if you happen to have that sitting on the stove and you have to run out and go pour yourself a glass of wine or whatever you're doing at breakfast, and it gets too thick, just add a little bit more milk. Let's see how that looks so far. Bring that up here a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, that is looking really good. Now, Nancy likes to serve hers over toast points. We do biscuits, but let's take a taste of this. I can't wait to try it.
So it's a little bit lighter flavor than using pork or beef, but it
So
has all
good.
that beautiful flavor to it. And so it just is a different version.
Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. I'm Nancy, owner and innkeeper at Old Square Inn in Mount Joy. Can't wait to see you stop by the inn. Thanks, Nance.
Bye.
Bye-bye.